Hello, our viewers. My name is Wycliffe from INS Orthotics Limited, Kampala. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about compression stockings. What are compression stockings? These are assistive devices used to improve general circulation in our body. So we shall start with the varicose veins. There are many people there outside who have got varicose veins. Those are distended superficial veins that when you look at your lower limb, sometimes you can see them physically. Then we have got people with deep vein thrombosis, which we call the DVTs. It's a common name that is known. Then we have got bedridden patients in hospitals. Those that are confined in beds are waiting for surgeries, even post-surgery patients. We also have got a class of people who sit for long hours. So we shall talk about the office attendants. Then we have got people also stand, whose occupations expose them to long hours of standing. So they are also at risk of getting a varicose vein. So we shall look at them. I will start with lymphedema arm sleeves. Like I talked about people that have got surgeries, maybe breast cancers, and realize there is a poor lymphatic drainage. So this can be used in such a kind of case. Also lymph node removal. So we can also recommend them so that I've got upper limb swelling. So this is our lymphedema arm sleeve. Yeah, it comes in different sizes. So you could need that. Then we also have got the anti-embolism stockings. I talked about the bedridden patients. So they are specifically white in color, because we want also to monitor any kinds of discolorations on our skin. And these are our anti-embolism. So for bedridden patients, patients that are waiting surgery, patients that are confined in bed. So we recommend them to use these anti-embolism stockings. Then we also look at the medical compression stockings. So this is also another type. So for people that sit for long hours, people that have got soreness, people that have got lymphedemas. We also have people that have got spider veins. So we also recommend them to use these types of compression stockings. So we have people that sit in offices for long hours, people that travel for long distances. So we recommend them to have this type of medical compression stocking. Then we shall also look at a common condition. So we also have the people with the varicose veins. So I talked about the superficial distended veins. So those actually are prone of getting even deep vein thrombosis in the long run. So we recommend them to use these types of compression stockings. So this is called a varicose vein compression stocking, and this texture is different from these other types that we have. Then we have our pregnant mothers. They experience these types of poor venous return due to an increase in weight, and also we can recommend them to use this type of compression. So this is called a maternity compression stocking. It is also available at INS Orthotics in Kampala for our pregnant mothers. So we recommend them to improve their venous return. Then we also have this type of, it is called a compression leg or high waist compression stocking. They are footless, just as you can look at them. They have got different types of pressures as we ascend up. So they are also used to improve venous return. So we also have them. Then we also have got our pantyhose compression stocking. So it is also falling within the category of the high waist with open toes and closed heels. So this is our pantyhose. We recommend it for people that have got lymphedemas, the edemas of different kinds of conditions. So it is also available. Then we have another type, which is the class 1 medical compression stocking within this category. So for all categories of edemas, we can recommend this type. People with spider veins, we can also recommend them to use it, and even other types that need compression. So we recommend them to use these types. So please like, share, and follow us on our YouTube channel. For more details, you can please pay us a visit at Kampala Road, Prison Building, shop number B10, level 1, for details about these compression stockings. Thank you very much.